What's up guys, my name is King J and today I figured out that my cat over here knows how to play with a fidget spinner. Alright, here's my cat. Here's my cat. Here's the fidget spinner. Now he's playing with it. Just wait a second. Let me turn him around so you can see. Alright, now if he's playing with it. And he's off. Look, you have to play with it. Why before it was working, now not? No, it's not. Come on, fishy. You like to play, do you? See, he's playing with it. He likes my fidget spinner because it's made out of gold. Now let's try to do some tricks. Yeah! Look. Now this is something that we put on TV for a fidget spinner. Do you like spinny things? Do you like fidgets? And now we have a brand new fidget spinner. Hey! Why does it eat? Now I give a big thumbs up. Yeah, boy! Now let's try again to play to hit. Alright, now don't do that. Play. He's putting his hands on it. Play. He was spinning it before. See? He spin it and his belly. So yeah guys, I guess this is the end of this video, and make sure to leave a like, comment down below, subscribe and ring the notification bell, and I'll see you next time. And me, and tomorrow, bye.